I know, you're so excited, aren't you? Are you so excited? Are you so excited, Max? Hey, hey, you're so excited. Misty, 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 Misty. Hey, Misty. Hey, come here, come here, come here. Come here, up. Come here, come on. Ooh, come on, up here, come here, come here, come here. Misty, come here, girl, come on. Misty, we're going out for walkies. Yes, we're going out for walkies. We're going out for walkies. Aren't we, eh? Come here. Yeah. Are we going out? Hey, we're going out. Yeah, hey. Speak. You're going to speak. You're going to say hello. You're going to say hello. How you doing, everyone? All right. Hopefully, I've been able to upload this okay from the computer. I believe it was due to the USB port and USB bad connection. We're having quite a lazy day today. It's Sunday. Beautiful hot weather. And oh yeah, you tired? Whoa, yeah, come on. Yeah, and of course these two are very excited. Glad everybody had a nice 4th of July in the States. Oh, look at that sunshine, look at that. Oh, say no more. Yeah, say no more. So, here we go. Yeah, I know. Isn't it nice to be excited, eh? Look at all those brass in there. Look at that brass. You like that, eh? Oh, well. Sorry about that, I accidentally shut it down. Let's see if this works, shall we? Let's see if I can get a picture of us. No. I don't think that idea's going to work, and so I shall have to love and leave you and carry on walking. We'll carry on driving, as they say. So I'm going to go down to the woods. I shall love and leave you, and have a good Sunday. Enjoy the sunshine. Here in the UK, I think it's going to continue for at least another week, maybe longer. There's no sign of any rain. It could touch 32 degrees here. So anyway, take care. Comment, subscribe, say hello to Misty and Max for me. They're just laying down there. Well, Max is leaning up against all that brass. So bye for now. And sorry I've been a bit slow on the upkeep of uploading videos. Take care, okay? Goodbye.